What's up everyone? Welcome back to Tease Time. I'm TJ. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to get stuff situated with the couch cushions. The couch cushions appear to be situated, but they're not. Where you have it like laying out flat, the cushions on the outside, they tend to fall off. There's nothing keeping them in place. The inside cushions right here, they stay in place because you have the cabinet right here and the wall that actually kind of helps squeeze them together. But let me show you what I'm talking about on the cushions, how they don't stay in place when it's in bed mode. Okay, so this is bed mode right here. And the cushions, like when you lay down, like they tend to just want to slide off and fall off. The inside ones, they stay in place, they're good, but whatever cushions are on the outside, they fall off. Even when you put your bedding on top of them, they slide. So it's very let's just say annoying. So you have to sleep like in the corner at the edge. Like that's the best sleep real estate, is right there, the back corner. Those don't slide, but if you like switch or you roll over on this, cushions are sliding. So to fix that, I have velcro. You have velcro, some thread, some needles, and the velcro's double stick. So what I plan on doing, I'm gonna put like eventually when that's painted, the soft side of the velcro will go against the wall right there, so that way like when it's down, you're not rubbing against like the rough part of the velcro. And then the rough part of the velcro will be behind the cushion. I'm thinking it's gonna be like at the lower corner right here, the lower section, so that way when I have the strips, the velcro will grab them right here and it'll keep them from sliding. So that's what I'm thinking. So let me get the velcro unwrapped and let's see if I ordered the correct kind. So that's the rough side. And this is the soft side. And let's see, when you put them together, let's see how strong this bond is. So I think that should do the job. And then also the velcro, it isn't like thick, so thick where I feel like it'll give me a problem using thread and needle. Got some thread, needles, thread. So it's not so thick, the velcro, where I think it'll give me like a problem sticking a needle through it. I don't want to use the sticky part on the cushions themselves. I don't think like it'll actually hold onto the cushion, so that's why I'm using the thread and needle to sew them on. And also it's the bottom edge closest to the zipper, so it'll be easier to get into and do what I need to do. And it's just gonna be like strips here, and then there'll be like strips going along the wall there, and then strips going along the beams right here to keep all that in place. So let me get situated, let me get stuff organized to make this as easy as possible. This could be a leisure kind of video for me, because you know I can sit down and stitch some stuff. So let me at least get like one situated so you can see what I'm talking about, and seeing is believing. So yeah. So this is the plan of attack. To have them situated like so on the bottom of all the cushions, the backseat cushions. I'm not doing velcro on all of them. I don't need it on all of them. So the velcro in theory on the front cushions should keep everything in place from sliding, since like the back is already kind of enclosed. The only problem cushions are the ones on the outside. So if I get this strip sewn on here like so, we should be good on all of them. So let the stitching begin. So that's that. I thought I would probably have to sew. I didn't think like the glue adhesive backing would actually stick, but it's actually sticking very well, better than I was expecting. That's why I got the needle and thread, because I was going to just sew that on. So I think I'm going to leave it like this and give it a chance. So like when I put the other backing on like the back plate here, if it starts to pull away like from the cushion itself, then I'll stitch it. But like right now, I think it feels very secure how it is right now. So I'm not going to go through the extra step and like make more work than I actually will actually need. Yeah, like I think that's good. So I'm gonna leave it like that, and then right now I'm gonna put the other backing on the bottom planks down here on the planks right here. I'm gonna save that for last because I still have to paint. So like once that gets painted, then I'll throw the other velcro strips on the backside once it actually is painted. But these aren't going to be painted. I don't plan on painting these just because it's at the bottom of the cushions and it'll just be like a lot of friction, where I just think it'll probably get a lot more paint transfer, like with people sitting on that part rather than having their back rest against like the backrest. So like I don't plan on painting the planks. I will paint like the face frame, of course, but yeah. So right now we're going to throw the other pieces on, and we're gonna see if this actually works. Hopefully it does, because it's been very annoying. But let's get situated. And bada boom, bada bing, it's installed, it's finished. It went a lot easier than I thought and what I was expecting. I thought I'd have to actually stitch them on, but I didn't. And everything is on there good. Like before, all this stuff would be sliding, like if you sat and tried to move, or even if you just put a knee down on the cushion, it will come off, and like everything is staying where it's supposed to. So this is just going to increase that comfort factor probably tenfold, so that way you don't have to worry about cushions and don't have to be like so mindful of like where you actually sleep, because you just try to focus on those back cushions. That's where like the comfort spot would be. Now the comfort spot could be the whole thing, now that the cushions won't be falling on the floor. So until next Wednesday, before we get to that, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing. I hope you're appreciating these videos. We're getting close to the end eventually. But until next Wednesday, the little things can be big things also. So be mindful of the little things, kind of actually make your life a little bit better. So till next Wednesday. Peace. TJ.